正常不了。
Hello everyone.
Hi, this is our first time to do this live streaming channel, and we are the Chinese manufacturer of power line hardware. And if you are interested in power line hardware,
Please subscribe it.
and stay tuned for our channel. We will share a lot of interesting live streamings in the future.
Yes, we are Tianjin Tuofan Manufacturing company, and our short for TTF Power is the short form of our company. If you are interested, call us and ask a quote. So, what is the topic about today? Let's Amanda describe it for us.
Okay, so have you ever wondered when you just sit in your room and wonder, oh, how the electricity can transform and distribute to our household so we can charge for our phones or we can watch the variety shows on our phones?
Oh, it's a very interesting question. I think it's a interesting question, and I think it may use the transformation line to transfer the electricity from the plant to our home. So everywhere we can see this one outside the room, or in the outdoor wares. So this is a distribution line. We may use this one to transform the power from the plant to the household. So today, what are the topics for today? We will introduce the conductor and the insulators.
Right. So we will use conductors to transfer the electrical current through the power lines. But there's a question. When the extreme weather comes, such as there is a lightning strike to the power lines, and we need a thing, that word is insulator, to protect us. And let Lisa to show some show the object of insulator.
Oh, this is our products, the insulators, and the other type of this is the other types of insulators. And what is this?
Actually, this is a pin insulator, and we can see that its material is polymeric material, is silicon.
So, where does it use?
It is used in the power line hardware constructions, and we can use insulators to slow down the electrical current to flow the power tower to the ground, and so we can protect the nearby animals and individuals.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a very good thing for protect us from the electrical
System.
So it's a very useful thing.
Right.
It is used in the low voltage or high voltage.
I think it's used in high voltage.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was situated in the power tower.
Like this one here?
Yeah.
Maybe.
And so we can see the another insulator.
Insulators.
We can see that it's made of porcelain. And what is the type of this insulator?
Oh, it's a shackle insulator.
Wow. You are very knowledgeable, Lisa.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks a lot.
So, are there any other types of insulators, you know?
Of course, there are other types of insulators. we have pin insulator, distribution insulator, shackle insulator, stay insulator, and transmission insulator, and also the spool insulator.
So they are all used in the distribution system.
Yes, we can use all these types of insulator in the power line hardware constructions.
So what are the materials for this made of these insulators?
So besides I just said for the porcelain and the polymeric material, we also have glass. And these are the three main materials of making the insulators.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's why I have never thought about it. Could you introduce it?
For the glass insulators, we can see that glass is a great insulator, and it can slow down the it can slow down the electrical current to flow through the power lines. So it can protect us. Not only it can protect our safety, but also it can protect the nearby animals and other like power poles, all these constructions.
Oh, it's a very useful thing, and so it can protect ourselves from electricity and also protect the animals. So it will make us very safe outdoors. So it is very useful things for us to use in the construction line.
Yes, exactly. And I have to see, will you will be very scared when the power rains has comes and there are lightnings and there rain storms. Do you scared of this extreme weather?
Of course, but I have a question. Why sometimes there are some individuals or the animals died from the showers or the lightnings? How does it work? Why they died from the lightning?
Yeah.
If there's some insulators here, how can they die?
To be honest, I have to see that the other word conductors. To be honest, our human and other animals are great conductors. We can let the electricity to go through our bodies. So if you are just like there are extreme weathers, there are power rings, and you just stand outside, and then you'll be struck by the lightnings because we human bodies are just the great conductors. But for the insulators, they are made of materials such as glass, wood, polymeric, or we can see that porcelain, and they are not good conductors. They are the good insulators, and so these kind of materials can protect us.
Oh, that's very good. So we introduced the insulators and the conductors today. So that is our today's topic. If you're interested in us, please subscribe us, and next time we will introduce you more about the power line hardware. Welcome us. Bye today.
And goodbye. Have a nice day, everybody. See you next time. Subscribe us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Edit here.